Hello dear friends, today we are going to learn one revision from class 9. This is new from our previous textbook. Okay, so we are going to start now revision 1 from class 9 NCERT. Now the question number 1, what is given here? Find the value of root 2 up to 2 decimal places square using the square root method. Okay, that long division method we are going to use here, right? So I have written here 2 inside this box. Okay, now we're going to use a long division method. Since it's alone, so we have to give here a point and 2 times 0. Now we'll make it pair. We come from right side. Okay, it's one pair and this 2 is now single. Now whatever number you put here, the question also will be similar. Okay, now maximum you can put here 1 ja how much 1. Clear. Now we have to find out the remainder here. 2 minus 1 how much 1. Now since point is here, to bring this group below we have to put here point, then these 2 zeros will come down. Now to divide 100, before that we have to bring here the divisor. What will be that? We have to double the first digit. Whatever number have taken before, we have to double it. Double means 2 times. That means 1 2 are 2. Now here you have to keep blank. Okay, to divide 100 we have to multiply here by the same digit. We have to put both side, quotient and the divisor. Okay, so maximum you can put here 4. Here also 4. So 4 4s are 16. Clear. Then 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Now remainder is here 4. Clear. Now since point is here, again 2 times 0 will come. Clear. Now we have to again double this unit digit. That means to double the unit digit. That means 4 2s are 8. Clear. 4 side and this 2 will come as it is. Now keep here blank. Here also we have to keep blank. So maximum we can put the digit here 1. Okay. So 1 1 is 1 and 8 2. Clear. So 281 here. We got it. The remainder will be here 9. Then again 9 minus 8 is here 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is our remainder. Since they were asking here to get up to 2 decimal places, so already got it here 41. Correct. Therefore our square root of 2 is what? 1.41. So like this you can solve our root 2, or you can continue with one question here. You try root 3 and root 5 also. Okay, now come to our question number 2. Question number 2 is given here. Write two irrational numbers. Irrational. Okay, irrational means what? The number which you cannot represent in the form of p by q, where pq belongs to z, that is integer, and q not equal 0. Okay, whose sum and product both are rational number. Rational means can represent in that form, right? So now we have to get the examples first of all here. So if we take I'm giving here one example. First example for this product and sum. Okay, you can take the number be root 2. Since they are asking two irrational numbers, first one is root 2 and second one is minus root 2. So we'll verify here. You see, we're going to verify the sum whether it is rational or not. Okay, so first irrational number and second one is minus root 2. So plus root 2 minus root 2 get cancelled, remains 0. Of course 0 is a rational number. That means our answer is correct. Once more you try the product. Now we're going to try the product also. Product. Okay, first one is root 2, second one is minus root 2, right? So when you multiply it, what will get here? Square root minus comes here, so square root means root 2 square. That means remains here only minus 2. Of course minus 2 also is a rational number. Now again one more example you can take. You can take like 3 plus root 3. Another one is 3 minus root 3. So when you go for sum for these two irrational number, what will get? 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. What will get here? 3 plus root 3 sum, then minus root 3. So minus root 3 and plus root 3 get cancelled, so remains here 3 plus 3 6. That means it is a rational number. Again you go for product. Now product. Okay, 3 plus root 3 whole into 3 minus root 3. So a plus b whole into a minus b. What remains here? A square minus b square. That means 9 minus 3 remains 6. So this is also our rational number. Clear? So we have verified like that by taking few examples of irrational numbers. Clear? Now we'll continue question number 4. Question number 4, what is given here? In the property of indices, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n equal a raised to power m minus n. Okay, in case of divisions, the power will be subtracted. Okay, then when m equal to n, then so that a power 0 equal a to the power 0 equal answer is 1. We need to show here. So given m equal n, then left hand side we have taken here a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. So when the powers when the base is similar, in that case, by using the property, what we get, the powers will be subtracted here. Now then here then in place of m we can substitute here n minus n, because it is equal, correct? So now the powers will get cancelled, that is 4. That is why the power remains here 0, so that when the power 0 we get the answer always 1. Okay, so like this we can solve even the question number 5 also. Okay, so we continue that question. Now question number 6, find the LCM and HCF. Okay, now the numbers are 408 and 170. Roman 3 I have taken here. So first of all you have to find out by using prime factorization method all the prime numbers. Okay, so for 408 I have divided here by 2, because the last digit is here 8. Okay, it's even number, so we can divide by 2. So by 2 when we divide, we'll get here 2 20 is a 40 and 2 4 is 8. Again last digit is here even, so that we can divide by 2. 2 10 is 20 and 2 is 4. Okay, again here even, so 2 5 is 10 and 2 1 is 2. Now the sum of these two digits gives us 6. That means it is divisible by 3. So that 3 by 3 17 is 51. Clear? So these are the factors you got here. Again for 170, since the digit is here 0, last digit you can divide by 2. So 2 8 is 16, remainder 1, so 10, so 2 5 is 10. Okay, again 5 is, you can divide by 5. Clear? So 2 5 17 is 85. We got it, all the factors. Now we have to find out the HCF. For HCF, whatever common, those digits we have to multiply. Okay, highest common factor, whatever common, those factors will come here, those digits will come here and it will multiply. Okay, so you can see here this 2 is common here for both side, even the 17 also common for both side. Clear? For both the numbers, so it comes here 2 into 70, so 2 17 is 34. So this is our HCF. Now come for LCM. For LCM, what comes here? In case of LCM, first of all we have to bring whatever common factors, bring it here first. With that, whatever uncommon factors are there, everything we have to bring. So bring it now. So that is 2 into 3, and with that the 5 comes. Now when we multiply, we'll get here 34, and this is 12 into 5. That means 34 into 60. So when you multiply, we'll get here 2040. So this is our LCM. Okay, now our question number 7. Question number 7 is given here. Write two rational numbers between 2 by 11 and 1 by 6. Okay, so to find the rational numbers between these two rational numbers, first of all we have to find the LCM, and the denominators are here 11 and 6. For 11 and 6, when we find the LCM, we get here 66. Okay, so we have to make it 66 now. So I have written the numbers here, the fraction. Now to make the denominator 66, we have to multiply here by 6. So up also will be 6. So 2 6 are here 12. Now here we have to multiply by 11. So here also 11. 11 6 are 66, and here it is 11. Since they are asking to find out here two rational numbers, but here only 12 and 11 we got. In between that we don't have even 1 also. So we have to make it again bigger by multiply by any digit. Okay, so let us multiply here by we can multiply here by 3. Okay, multiply here by 3, both the numbers. Okay, 3 3, so 3 3. So here we'll get 36, and here 18, 1 carry, then 198. So here also 198, and here remains 33. Now you can see the denominator is similar, and in between 33 and 36 we have at least a minimum 2 rational numbers are there, and they are 34 by 198 and 35 by 198. So like this easily you can find out the required rational numbers. Okay, now continue question number 8. Question number 8, they have given here, simplify root 10 into root 5 and find its approximate value by taking root 2 value. Okay, 1.41. Now root 10 into root 5. So when for both numbers we have the square root, so it's going to be common here, so we can expand it now. 10 means 2 5 the 10 into 5. Now you can see this in group, so this 5 comes outside and the root 2 remains inside the root, so that 5 into the value of root 2 is here 1.41. now multiply, so 1 5 is a 5, 5 4 is a 20, 2 greater than 5 plus 2 7. So this is our answer. Okay, so you can continue like that. Okay, we'll continue now. Question number 9. Question number 9, what is given? They are asking to express it in the form of p by q, and they have given here dot 0.8 dot 1 dot. It's almost similar like bar. Okay, it's similar like bar, or you can write it 0.81 bar. It's similar. Okay, that means what? Let 0.8 dot 1 dot means what? 0.8181. so 81 is repeating here, and we can take this number as x. Okay, and you know very well that when two digits are repeating, in that case we multiply by 100. Remember, okay, when two digits will repeat, in that case we need to multiply by 100, and if one digit, in that case multiply by 10, and if three digit, in that case you have to multiply by 1000. so like that we have to continue the process. Okay, now since here two digits are repeating, we have to continue to multiply by 100. so let us multiply the number by 100. Okay, so when you multiply this number by 100, what comes here? So 100 into x comes here 100x. in that case in this side, when you multiply by 100 into 0.8181, it's repeating. Okay, then in that side remains 100x. so when you multiply by 100, this point goes two places right side. Okay, so remains here 81.8181. this is repeating. No, you can write again. So it's like that. Now the simple method will follow here. We'll write the number 81.81 dot dot dot. Okay, now we'll write here, just below of this number we'll write the question, that is 0.8181 dot dot dot. so when you subtract, we'll get here all this part will become invalid, so remains here point, and here 81 remains, and this side all becomes 0. Clear? That means the number comes here 100x, this side remains 81 is 81, and whatever number you have subtracted from here, that number you have to add, that is 0.8181 dot dot dot. now this 100x equal 81, and this is we have taken already as x, so write here x. now bring this x left side, that means 100x minus x means it will be 99x, and that side remains 81. so now x equal 81 by 99, and x we have taken as 0.8 dot. that means when you cancel it, 9 9 ja 9 11 ja, that means the answer is 9 by 11. This is our required p by q form of the 0.8 dot 1 dot. Okay, clear? Got it? Now we need to do simplification. Okay, the simplification Roman 5 I have taken here. So here you can see the below, the denominator part is a irrational number. That means we have to rationalize it first of all. Okay, so how to do it? So root 7 into this is plus. Okay, root 7 plus root 3. so to rationalize it, we have to multiply by opposite of this, that means root 7 minus root 3. so up also have to multiply by the same number, right? so here what comes, this is our a plus b whole into a minus b, that means a square minus b square formula, that means a square minus b square formula, and up remains 4 into root 7 minus 4 into root 3. so what comes here, we'll get your 7 minus 3, then up 4 is common, so root 7 minus root 3. so here the denominator comes 4, and here also 4 root 7 minus root 3. so 4 get cancelled, remains the answer as root 7 minus root 3. this is our answer. Clear? Now we'll continue Roman 6. so here's the same conditions come, you can follow here the same process. 7 minus root 3, and this is irrational numbers, we have to multiply by the opposite of that, 7 plus root 3. by same number you have to multiply also, even up also, 7 plus root 3. so what comes here, this is a minus b whole into a plus b, same a square minus b square, that means 7 square minus root 3 square. Clear? so up what comes, this a plus b whole into a plus b, that means a plus b whole square, a plus b into a plus b whole square, that means our a square plus twice a into b plus b square, clear, by 23, and this is our required answer. Okay, so like this we can solve our remaining problems. So we continue it. Okay friends, so we'll continue in the next video the remaining part of this exercise. Okay, thank you friends.